How do you use zones? To access Zone, navigate to the Zone page via the CDN tab, copy the link from the zone, then open a new tab and paste the link into the URL bar. Next, specify the image path at the end of the URL and press Enter, then wait a second until the image loads. Now, let's modify the image to transform an image. Replace the original with the transformation pattern. Let's say Resize. To resize an image, edit the parameters in the URL, width 200 and height also 200. Once you are done mentioning the parameters in the URL, hit the Enter key. The image has been transformed. Now, if you wish to add further transformation, then simply add the tilde symbol and add your transformation. For example, grayscale. Once you have added the transformation in the URL,
tap Enter and wait for the results. The image has been transformed. You can use this updated image in the place of original.